Okay, Mr. Manik, where are you from?
So I am from Shirazganj.
Shirajganj. Why are you learning English?
So I'm learning English because it helps me for education and business, and it is very important because it an international language and our second language. For that's why I learn English. So because of knowing English, so I can go abroad.
Well, how much time do you learn English every day?
So around 5 or 6 hours, I learn English, and most of the time I practice with my friends, and sometimes I practice with my roommate, and sometimes I practice in front of mirror. That's right.
Is it okay to become fluent in the English language?
Yes, sir.
Is it okay? Is 4 to 5 hours okay?
Actually, it's me okay, but I try to increase our time. That's it.
Okay, sounds perfect. Well, do you think that English is important for business?
Yes, sir. English is very important for business.
Why do you think that?
Because English is so with internationally communication with others and others people countries. That's why because of knowing English, so communicate with others countries business. So and that's why English is very important for us, for me, and every places.
Well, when did you first feel that you should learn English?
So when I feel that I need to learn English because so every places English is very important to learn English. So I face many problems. That's why business, education, and any institutes. So that's why I think so I need to learn English. Yeah, that's it.
Who teaches you English?
Actually, Mr. Saddam sir, he teaches me English, and his teaching style is very unique, and he teaches is very in way, and he explains everything as well.
Well, when did you first meet this teacher?
Actually, sir, 3 months ago I met him. It was orientation class.
Why do you like this teacher?
Because I like him because he is very friendly and his teaching style is very unique. And so I can so share English purpose. That's why. So she always encourages to English. So without fear.
Without any fear.
Yes, sir.
Well, that's good. Well, okay. What's your favorite color?
Sir, my favorite color is black and white, and it suits me. So
Suits you.
yes, sir.
Okay. And when was the last time you went shopping?
So last time, sir, 1 month ago, so I was going to Jamuna Future Park. So I bought two sweaters and one T-shirt.
Two sweaters.
Yeah, sir.
Well, and where do you usually buy your dresses?
Sometimes, sir, in this present time, so winter season, so I need to buy sweater and winter dresses. Yes,
Okay. Have you ever bought any dresses for your family?
yes, sir. Sometimes I brought for my family, my sister, my younger brothers. So I bought new clothes like sweaters, t-shirt, and for mother shari, and my
Shari.
father Punjabi pajama, and that's it.
Thank you very much, Mr. Manik. This is the end of your speaking test.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.